so this is Ackee corned beef seasoned rice. So if you're interested in this one, let's make this one together, guys. I'm not sure how I want to cook this one, but we're going to work with some seasoned rice. I'm out some Ackee, I'm find some mixed vegetable. I know we have vegetable already, and we're going to just rig up something. So first thing I'm going to do is cut up some seasoning. Alright, so I'm going to cut up I have my piece of garlic there, so I have a piece of onion from when I cut up yesterday. So I'm going to use that. Alright, that's scallion. And you can use onion or scallion, or if you want to use both, use both. Alright, you know we have thyme, pepper. You see them in this rotten, so and if I rotten, I stop saying rotten, then dry up. So I have to add some more pepper to this. This now got hot. I have tomato. Very much optional, but I use it because I get the color, and I don't mind. I have the pumpkin, but I think I'm going to shred some carrot in it and chop up the garlic. Either I'm shred some carrot or I'm going to use a mixed vegetable, so I might not use the carrot. Alright, and basically that's it for the vegetables. So let's get into it. Listen, you don't always have to have it together to cook some food. You can just go in the fridge or look on the household, and anything you find, you just put it together and create a dish. It doesn't always have to be perfect. It doesn't always have to be right. It doesn't even always have to taste good. You just want to say, eat something and you're full. Well, not necessarily full, but at least you can be able to eat something. And I think that's the best part. You can find something inside your house. So, while that I do thing, we'll go open our corned beef. So we'll take off the key, we'll put the key upside down, put the key on back, snap, turn. And I'm not gonna put it in the hot water because I want it for cut up so that it stays chunky. I don't want it to be soft for this menu or this dish. All right. So I blended a little olive oil, butter, just because I like the two together, the flavor. Once we have this melt, we're going to go in with some garlic. Alright, once it starts smelling, you can add onion, scallion, pepper and thyme. Saute this until it gets translucent, and then we'll come back. Alright, then after it now we are going with some tomato. So now we are going with the corned beef. My aim is not to break it up, so to stay as chunky as possible. Alright. Let that seep up some of the sauce and then come back. And then we can mix vegetable to it. So all along me I wash the rice and the pipe leaf. Alright, so this is a pound of rice, so we just have to wash it until the water runs clear. Alright. And people keep on wondering if the rice wash. Yes, the rice is washed. Because it washed and leave it at the bowl for a minute, that's why it looks so. Alright, so the rice is washed. Alright, we are going with the rice. Wash rice. You don't need to say that, but yeah, the rice wash. Then we don't add, so we start to it. Guys, you want to taste this. You want to taste it to see if you can, if you need any more salt. It's the bitter taste. If you think it need any more salt, sprinkle some all-purpose or something on the top of it. It will seep down. Alright, and just cover it and allow it to do the medium low heat. I could go and go see where I go with this. Alright, so you know what to fluff the rice. basically this done, you know. This one steam up a little more. I just stirred it too much. To finish the thing. Alright, let me see where I've gone. This. Alright, so this is what we have so far. So this is Ackee corned beef seasoned rice. So if you're interested in this one, let's make this one together, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you in another one. Bye, guys.